name is Bhuvan. I am studying in UKG. My school name is St. Philomena's High School. My name is Mithun. I am studying in UKG. My school name is St. Philomena's High School. My name is Sanvik. I am studying in UKG. My school name is St. Philomena's High School.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu. Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar months: Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshta, Ashada, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashwina, Kartika, Margashira, Pusha, Magha, Falguna.
States and capitals.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chandigarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
National festivals.
National festivals: January 26, Republic Day. August 15, Independence Day. September 5th, Teachers Day. October 9, Gandhi Jayanti. November 14, Children's Day.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Bellary, Bidar, Bangalore Rural, Bangalore Urban, Belagavi, Chamarnagara, Chikkabellapura, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwada, Hasana, Kaveri, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kolar, Koppala, Mandya, Mysore, Namagara, Raichur, Shumagar, Tumkur.
Epics of India.
Epics of India: Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Main agricultural products.
Main agricultural products: rice, wheat, jute, sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world: Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean.
5 sense organs.
5 sense